building off of the last video, we're going to set up our response spreadsheet for our new class. So the first thing that I want to do is open up the spreadsheet that was automatically created and rename it. And the next thing I want to check is all of our questions and make sure they look good, and they do. So then the next thing that we need to do is start to set up the automatic email system that works for these. And so the first thing that I think I want to do is we need to set up an additional page for this spreadsheet that has some of the information for the automatic emails. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and make that page. I'll rename it because that's what I like to do. And we're going to grab the date for this class. So I'll go back to the form, copy the date and paste it. And the next thing that I want to do is go ahead and label the column that's going to have the instructor email. And for lack of a better description, the information on this automatic email page, the top row is just the descriptor. For whatever reason, the second row is always blank, and then the third row is the active row that contains the information that the code in the spreadsheet needs in order to work properly. So in this case, I went ahead and plugged in my email. I'm going to come over here to the response spreadsheet, and we'll copy the link to attend this class, and we'll plug it in there. And then I'm also going to go ahead and grab Emily's email. Come on, please start working. You silly thing. There we go. Grab Emily's email, and we'll put this off to the side. And we're not done yet. So the next thing that you have to do is you actually have to name these ranges, is what that's called. So I'm going to highlight the very first range, go up to the data menu, and select name and protected ranges. And this first one is going to be URL1. And if we had more classes here, so then I would work on down the line URL2, URL3, URL4, 5. The next one that we have to name is the instructor one range, and again that can be farther down or even up closer depending upon how you want to code things. But that gets us started. So the next part is going to be dealing with the actual code itself, and so that'll be in the next video.